potato head boys like yourself. I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Hey!
Do not fool Rolf! You're crazy! Tell me, lost little red scent, have you ever experienced the almighty three-shoe beating? Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato head boys like yourself. Rolf is not amused, you... Oh! Do not fool Rolf! Everybody now!
Chickens! I ain't touching that. What are you? Some kind of troll or something?
Holy mackerel! Holy mackerel! All that hard work.
Hey! What? And ruin all this frustration? Get it on!
Say the magic words! Bubbly, bubbly, boo! All that hard work.
Huh? Get it on! Did you kiss your mother with that mouth? I ain't touching that.
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Holy mackerel!
What are you? Some kind of troll or something? Did you kiss your mother with that mouth? What? And ruin all this frustration?
Holy mackerel!
Get it on!